In this video, I'll show you how to delete all watch later videos on your YouTube at once. Begin by launching your Google Chrome browser. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome and hover to Extensions in the drop-down menu. On the Visit Chrome Web Store, in the Extensions menu, use the search bar to type in YouTube Watch Later Assist and then hit Enter. Find the YouTube Watch Later Assist extension in the search results and click on Add to Chrome. A confirmation window will pop up. Click on Add Extension to confirm. Type youtube.com in the address bar and press Enter. On your YouTube homepage, look at the sidebar in the left and click on Watch Later. On the Watch Later page, look for Remove All Videos button. Click on this button and the extension will automatically remove all videos from your Watch Later playlist. And that's it, your Watch Later playlist is now cleared and in just few clicks. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.